right. All right, Pam, this is looking good. I'm going to keep cleaning up. You keep carrying the stones and the wood over here. You're doing a good job.
I think I'm doing the work and you taking pictures, Phil. Come on.
All right, Pam. You're doing good. Doing good. All we need to do is put the roof on that one. And we'll be ready. You even know you have the roof?
Yep.
Nice job. All right, I'm gonna go get a drink while you start the next one. Pam, you're doing awesome. I don't even feel like I have to help you. All right, Pam and I each got stung in the chin through our net, but can't stop that girl, man. She is pushing me. All right, Pam, good job. I mean, I feel as though I've been helpless. Is there anything else I can do, or you got it? You got it?
I got it, Phil.
You got it. Looking good. All right, so there's about 2 supers that aren't going to make it back. There they are. But that's all right. This was a serious challenge, salvage job. I am doing a double check. Pam, you still here? I thought you had some work to do.
I do have work to do.
I'm work. John H. Carter work.
I do.
Well, don't let me stop you, Pam.
I can't get in my car. I'm going to in it.